this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before we even get into this, keep in mind a factory reset will reset all of your data. It's going to remove any installed apps and games, and it's going to reset Windows back to its original state. So make sure you back up anything important before doing this. But whenever you do get everything backed up or you're just ready to get started, what you're going to want to do first is actually open up your command center. Or alternatively, what you could do is just select the power button and then choose shut down, not restart, and wait till the device is fully turned off and there's no lights on, because we actually need to enter into BIOS. So press the power button to turn the device back on and immediately start spamming the volume down button on your Xbox Ally X and keep pressing it down until the BIOS screen appears. If done correctly, the BIOS menu will open. I apologize, it's super hard to show this while screen recording. But once you're in BIOS, go ahead and press Y to open up advanced settings, and then use the D-pad to move right. Select ASUS Cloud Recovery, accept the terms, and then hit agree. And then from here, connect to your Wi-Fi network, follow the on-screen instructions, and the device will download and reinstall these system files. This process can take up to a couple hours depending on your internet speed, so make sure your Xbox Ally X is connected to power during this reset, because this is going to prevent any corrupted files, interrupted installation, and system errors. But once your, reset is finished, your Xbox Ally X will be like brand new, and you'll have to reinstall apps like Armory Crate, sign back into your accounts, and re-download your games. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.